Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In our previous videos, we learned how to take how to take the body measurement. This is our first video on how to cut, and now we are starting for how to cut a simple blouse using the measurement we took earlier. Please, if you are new here, subscribe to our channel for subsequent videos on how to sew a perfect cloth. Thank you. Let's start. Today what we are going to do is to cut a simple blouse. What we are using, this is the material we are using. We are cutting both back and front. That's it. The first thing we are taking is the blouse length. The blouse length is from here to here. The blouse length is 20. We are using 20 as the blouse length measurement, and I make it 22 for sewing allowance and the shoulder sewing allowance. Understand? This is the front. We are using this as the front, this is as the back, and you have to move this one a little bit forward to leave 1 inch for the zipper line. This is the zipper line. Move 1 inch for the zipper line. See? And what you are going to start is to start measuring, taking the measurement as we did. Firstly, have to mark from shoulder. This is the shoulder to the bust point. We are using shoulder to bust point 10, shoulder to waist. The waist is 15, and the full length is 20. Mark it like this, and we mark the shoulder measurement. The shoulder is 16 divided by 2, because it's 2. It is 2 foldings, then you divide by 2. 16 divided by 2, that's 8. We mark 8 here. We take the shoulder slanting to be 1 inch, because you know the woman shoulder is not straight. This is the shoulder slanting. From where I mark the bust point, I will take the measurement of the round bust. This is the bust point, this is the waist, this is the blouse length. Then from where I mark the bust is where I will take the round bust. I'm using the front for the measurement, not the back. I'm excluding this zipper line. The bust of the blouse, we are using bust 32. Then you have to divide 32 divided by 4, because it's 4 folding, the front and the back. Then that 2 divided by 4, it will give you 8. That's the 8 plus 1 for the sewing allowance, making 9. You add 1, you mark it like this. This is the original measurement plus the sewing allowance. Then you mark from where you mark the waist. Then you take the measurement of the round waist. The round waist we are using is 26. Then 26 divided by 4, it will give you 6.5. Then this is 6.5. You mark it plus 1 for the sewing allowance, making 7.5. Mark it like this. Then we are taking the blouse hips. We are using the blouse hips of 38. 38 divided by 4, it will give you 9.5. This is 9.5. That's the blouse hips. Plus 1 inch, that's 10.5 for the sewing allowance. Don't forget to be adding the sewing allowance. Then you marked where to cut. This is the horizontal measurement. You mark it so that you know where to cut. This one, this is, you see, then you join the markings so that you join the markings. You join it. Now we are done for this measurement. Then you take, this is the shoulder, I said the shoulder slanting. Then the next thing you have to cut is the armhole. We are using the armhole of 7 for this, or we are using the armhole of 7. This is 7. You also marked where to cut, you see. Then as you reach the 7, you just turn it like this. But you know the armhole is round, it's not that curved like this. You make an edge. It's not like an edge here. You make it curve. You curve it a little bit, like 1 inch outside. You see, like 1 inch from here outside. That's how to cut the armhole. Then you join from where it ends, and you join it here. You join it here. You join the measurement like this. This is the measurement. Now we are done for the measurement. With the measurement, if you find it difficult of the measurement, please go back to the video we post earlier on the body measurement. I'll drop the link below. Go back, you find it very simple and comprehensive. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now we are cutting. As I said, this is the shoulder, this is the shoulder slanting. I'm taking the shoulder slanting. You can mark it so that you know where you are cutting. We are cutting the two together, the back and the front. That's why I said it is user friendly, beginner friendly, because it is very simple. Here, not to make it this edgy, you can just cut an inch, the remaining just a little bit. Now we are done with the cuttings. Now we are done with the cuttings of our blouse. You can even cut the neck, you can even mark the neck now. This is the neck we are using for the neck, and the neck depth of 3 inches. You mark it, and you can mark it like this where you're cutting. Okay, let's cut the neck. For the cuttings, you can divide the back to make it into 2 pieces for putting the zip, and you can leave it when sewing, but you can divide it even now, just only the back, the middle for the zipper line. This is the back. And this is the front. And then you sew like this. You sew here, sew the edge, and put the armhole. We are done with the blouse. Now we are cutting the hand. The hand is also very simple. How to cut? We are cutting a very simple basic sleeve. The length of the sleeve is 10. We make it 11 for the sewing allowance, and we are using the sleeve. We have to mark the round sleeve. The round sleeve is 5. We add 1 plus 1 sewing allowance, making 6. This is the round sleeve we are taking for this. What you are going to do is to mark the curve of the hand. You are just a slanting towards the edge where you want to, just like this. You see, something like this. So just from here, make it, and you join it to where you mark the round sleeve. Please, if you find anything difficult or not understandable enough, you can ask your question in the comment section. I will reply it there. And we are cutting the hand now. After making it, you cut where you marked like this. This is the hand. It's 4 foldings. That's the hand we are going. Is 4 foldings, making the both 2 hands. And this is 1, this is 2. And this is how you put it in the armhole of the hand is bigger than that of the blouse, because you are doing some pleating here. If you don't want the pleating, you can make it not exactly the same. But if you are making some little pleating here, you make it a little bit longer for the armhole of the hand. That's why it's a little bit longer like this. Now we are done for the cutting. This is the zip line. You can mark it if you like. It's optional. You can mark it like this. Now let's see how it looks like and how we are going to sew it. This is the front and this is the back. We are joining the zip line. We are folding the zip for the zip line. Join it like this. So we are joining it like this. When sewing, you see it clearly and better. Now, so joining this for the zip line like this when sewing, and this is the front. This is the very front. And when we are sewing the shoulder and the sides of the blouse, then after that, then we put the hand like this. We put the hand like this. Okay, and we are going to put the other hand also like this. Then this we are done for the sketching and the cutting. Let's go to the sewing part. Now let's start sewing.